Welcome to our SAIRUI business tutorial presentations. In this video presentation, I'm going to take you through what the SAIRUI Mall business is all about, what it entails, and then the principal ways through which you can earn money in the SAIRUI Mall business. So you are welcome to this presentation of our tutorial video series. Now, SAIRUI, is an e-commerce platform. And SAIRUI Mall is part of SAIRUI Group of companies. So you can see the SAIRUI Group, and this is the full name, SAIRUI International Holding Group. So SAIRUI is a big family of businesses, about 8 to 10 businesses, and SAIRUI Mall or SAIRUI e-commerce business is just one of those businesses. And so we are going to be looking at SAIRUI Mall. We have a lot of videos about how to do many things on the platform. But in this video, I want to give you a brief background and then what the whole business concept is, how you can make money without limit in SAIRUI Mall business. SAIRUI is not a scam. It is not one of these 9-day wonders businesses that's going to be here today and tomorrow is gone. It is here to stay. It's just like all the e-commerce platforms you have, like Amazon that has been there for years. You have CHYMALL that is there not too long though, but it has been there for a number of years. You have AliExpress, Alibaba, you have Kiku, you have Gigi, and all those kind of online shopping malls. So SAIRUI is just like one of them, and it is here to stay. Now, the difference between SAIRUI and these other traditional e-commerce platforms is that all these other e-commerce platforms, you just go buy products, you pay for it, it is shipped to you at your country of destination. That is it. So you don't make money. It is the business owners or the people who are selling on those platforms that are making money. But SAIRUI Mall is a game changer when it comes to e-commerce. You don't only buy products as a customer and make the company rich. You buy products for use and then you get the opportunity to also make money in the system. As a matter of fact, the company gives back about 80% of the earnings on the platform, which I'll soon be showing you as we look at the earning methods. So like I said, SAIRUI is a game changer. You buy and then you get opportunity to buy and sell on the platform. So unlike Amazon, where you just buy product and then you get your product and then you don't make money, in SAIRUI Mall, you buy a product and then you can also make money. So come with me as we set sail with SAIRUI. And so SAIRUI is a single business model with 6 earning methods, and all these 6 methods of earning money are unlimited. You can make money without ceilings, without caps, and without limitation. Any money amount you want to make, it all depends on you. So what are the 6 methods of making money in SAIRUI? These are the 6 SAIRUI VIP profits or ways of making money. So we have the store profit or the trading profit. We'll be looking at each of them into detail. Then we have the chain store profit. We have the direct sharing profit. Then we have the service profit. Don't worry, you will get to know each of them, what they are and how you can make money without limit. Then you have the chain service profit, and then you have the traditional e-commerce profit. So these are the 6 types of profits or 6 types or 6 methods of making money with SAIRUI Mall. So let's begin with the first one, which is the store profit, or what we refer to as the trading profit. Now, SAIRUI Mall, like I said, is an e-commerce platform where you have to register and activate your VIP in order to get the opportunity to do business. Like I told you, other e-commerce platforms, you just go buy products, so you don't need to have an account like a storefront in order to do any business. You are just a client or a customer. Now in SAIRUI Mall, what we are saying is that let's take like Malcolm, or let's say an offline business like Malcolm. You go to the shop and then you go and buy product and then you leave. But let's assume that Malcolm says if you buy one product, we will give you opportunity to buy the same product at discount, and then we will give you a portion in the Malcolm space and sell the product for you within 10 days, and you come for your money. That is the concept. So they said pay a token of money, we'll rent you a space in our mall, You will buy your product and place them there. We will do the selling for you within 10 days, and then we put your money back into your account, and then you keep on repeating the process. So in SAIRUI, registration is free, but in order for you to become an active VIP, now VIP is simply the various packages and levels at which you can do business. So we have the VIP 1, VIP 2, up to VIP 5 for now. In future, we may be having other VIPs. So any of the following amounts of consumption points will activate a VIP. So with $25, you can activate VIP 1. With $50, you can activate VIP 2. With $100, you can activate a VIP 3. $300 VIP 4, and then $600 VIP 5. Now a VIP package is just like renting or buying a storefront in the mall or on the SAIRUI Mall. It is a lifetime purchase. So this one is not something that is going to repeat. So it's like you buy a store in the mall where you are going to be doing your businesses. And the VIP package you have determines the volume of business capital you can operate, and then the kind of profit you can make. So SAIRUI members will enjoy huge profits by operating the new retail. Now, the concept of the new retail is what SAIRUI used to beat all other traditional e-commerce platforms. It is called the new retail, and it is a vision of Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba Group of Companies. He said, "Let there be no hard business. Everyone can start doing business." So SAIRUI Mall's aim is to make everyone own his or her own online business. So with this small amount, you can rent or buy a storefront where you can do your business. So let's look at the first. So this is the first step. You have to activate your VIP, and then you can now put in your trading capital. So what we saw there is just to acquire a storefront where you can do your business in. Now the VIP 1, we don't have trading, so you can't trade with VIP 1. So trading begins with VIP 2 to VIP 5. Now these are the trading capitals for each of these VIPs. We use $50 to buy the store, and then trading capital is 90. This is what we are going to be using to trade every 10 days. You buy products at the retail session, and then you'll be given a quota to buy in the wholesale session and place it in that storefront that you purchase with that $50, and then it will be sold for you within 10 days, and the money will be credited to your account. VIP 3, you need trading capital of $180. VIP 4, you need trading capital of $540, and then VIP 5, you need a trading capital of $1,080. So those are the trading capital. So let's look at how you make money trading in SAIRUI. So this is the first level of profit or way of making money. All right, so this is how it looks like. So you go to the new retail. Now when you go to the SAIRUI Mall, you have what we call the new retail, and then we have the wholesale division. Okay, I'll be taking you to the site in the course of the presentation, so you will see the details. So you go to the new retail, and then you buy a product, let's say a fuel saver card that costs $100 at retail price, and then you will take that fuel card home. Now when you buy the fuel card at the retail, any product you buy at the retail, you are given 2 quotas to buy the same product at a discount of 60% at the wholesale division of the mall. So the mall has a retail division and then a wholesale division. You buy from the retail division for personal consumption. That is why it is called the new retail. And then you are given a quota to buy at the wholesale division for reselling on the same platform. All right, so you buy a fuel saver card that costs $100. You take it home for consumption or for personal use, and then you are given the quota or the right to 2 fuel saver cards. You bought 1 for use, you are going to buy 2 for sale. Now we are saying that you are giving the retail price at wholesale so that you can make profit. So the card you bought for $100 at the retail division, you are going to buy it for $40, and you are giving 2 quotas, so you buy 2 of them. That gives you 80. So you realize that your trading capital, which is 180 for VIP3, is made up of this $100 plus this $80. Now, when you buy from the wholesale division, these two cards, now you have two options. Either you want to take it away and use, or you want to sell it in the mall. So you choose the option 2, to sell the fuel saver cards. So the company will place the card in the new retail mall. Just as you purchase it at 100, it will be placed in the new retail area, and then it will be sold for you at $100 each. So for $80 you spend in buying two cards, you will get $200. That is what we see here. So the round one profit is you sell the two fuel saver cards you bought at 40 here for 100 each. So 100 times 2, that gives you 200. So the cost plus cost 1 plus cost 2. So 100 plus 40 times 2, that gives you 180. That is a total trading capital. So the net profit is 200 minus the 180 you spent in the retail and then the wholesale part. So the difference is $20 plus one fuel saver card, the one you bought at the retail, which you are going to use. So that gives you a profit of $20 within 10 days for just some 50 minutes transaction you do here. You don't do any selling or marketing, advertising or whatever. You just buy it and ask the company to sell it for you, and within 10 days the company sells it, credits the full 180 back into your account, plus your $20 minus the charges, service charges plus tax that will be deducted from it. So in all, you will make about $14 as profit for this single transaction. And like I said, every transaction takes place within 10 days. Within 10 days, the card will be sold and the money will be credited to your account. And you have 10 days in a month. So it means you have 3 rounds of business in every month. So imagine having a trading capital of 180, and then you can make $14 times 3, which is $42 profit within a month. I believe it is a reasonable profit to make. Okay, so that is it for this method of earning or this. So you see, at the end of the 1 month, you would have traded for 3 rounds. The initial capital is 180, and then the balance after 1 month will be 240. That will be 180 plus 60, because each round you make 20 and then minus the deductions, that will leave it at 42. And then you will have 3 fuel saver cards, because every trading round you will buy from the retail mall and then you buy from the wholesale mall. So you have 3 fuel saver cards, and each of them, each pair costs $100. So these 3 fuel saver cards is worth $300, and then you have earned another $60 on top of that, and then your trading capital is still intact to continue trading in the next month. So that is it for the store profit or the trading profit. That is just the first way of earning in SAIRUI. Now, you must understand that SAIRUI is not a multi-level marketing business. It is not compulsory for you to refer people, because you don't need to refer anybody here to make this money. But if you can refer people or build a team, all that is required is you build your team, and then you can make more money. Then you open yourself up to the other 5 methods of earning. Otherwise, if you are allergic to referring people to business, then you can stay with the trading profit and make your cool money and remain there, and you will be okay. But if you are like me and you want to open yourself up to a mega ways of making money, then you can open yourself up. The second method of making money in SAIRUI Mall is the chain store profit. So we just finished looking at the store profit or the trading profit. And there are 3 levels of the chain store profit. Let's look at what they are. Now, what we are saying here is that SAIRUI, you are not compelled to refer. But if you can refer people, you see any good thing and you tell your friend, you tell a family member, oh, I've seen this good business and I think if you join, it will do you good. And then you are able to refer 1, 2, 3, 4 people. What happens is those who you directly refer or recommend to the SAIRUI Mall, at the end of the day, at the amount they spend in the retail mall, you will be paid 3% on each person you refer. They are spending in the retail session. So like the illustration we looked at in the previous earning, you saw that we spend $100 at the retail mall. So if you refer somebody, apart from you trading, and all these 4 people, let's say each of them purchases a fuel saver card, which costs $100, you will make $3, which is 3% from each of them. They are buying for every round. That means within every 10 days, they will have to buy the fuel saver card if they have VIP3 account or any product that is equal to $100. It means for the 3 rounds of trade in the month, everyone you refer, you will earn 3%. That is $3 from the 100% or the $100. Now let's assume that these people spend this amount. Let's say number A spends $1,000 in the retail session, number B spends $540, number C spends $300, number D also spends $1,500. When you put the total together, you have $3,340, and then you find 3% of that amount. It is paid instantly once the transaction is done. Once the person does the purchasing, you don't need to wait tomorrow, next week, or month ending. It is instant. It is credited. I'll be showing you some examples of a transaction I did today and then the earnings as we proceed. So that is the chain store profit at the level 1. Now you realize that in the previous one you have only 4 people. Now what we are saying is, SAIRUI Mall is saying is, if you are able to refer more than 4 people, that is 5 people or above, you open yourself up to the second generation. Here you are only earning from the first generation, the people you refer directly. You refer Mr. A, Sister B, Mr. C, and then Sister D. You refer them directly. You brought them to SAIRUI Mall and they also start trading. Any amount they spend in the retail division, you will earn 3%. Now what SAIRUI is saying is that if you are able to refer more than 4 people, from 5 going, you open yourself up to earning at the second generation. So now here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you are not only earning 3% at the first generation because you have 5 or more people. So now it opens you up to earning 2% on all the people that your level A people or level 1 people refer. So these are your referrals and these are their referrals. You didn't refer any of these people. So you will earn 2% on these people spending in the retail division. So if they all spend 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, it means you will earn $2 each on their $100 they spend at the retail. That is how lucrative SAIRUI Mall business can be. So just do your mathematics. Let's assume that you are able to refer 100 people here, and then they all come with VIP3, and then every 10 days they all buy $100, and then you earn $3 from that. 3 times 100, that will be $300 every 10 days times 3. Every month you will be earning $900. Let's assume that each of the 100 people bring just 10 people in. That will be 1,000. And then let's assume that all these 1,000 people also register with VIP3 with 100, 100. It means every 10 days you will earn how much? $2 times 1,000, which will be 2,000. You may not be able to get these figures, but we are just doing mathematics for you to see. You can bring 10, they will bring 2, 2, 2, that will be 20. They can bring 5, 5, 5, that will be 50, or whatever your strength. So like I said, your earning depends on your effort and your ability. There is no cap, there is no ceiling, there is no limit, there is no cutoff at all. Your effort purely determines your earning. You can't get this one in any business, any e-commerce platform or any e-commerce business. You may not even get this in any multi-level marketing or network marketing company, this compensation. So that is it. And now there is a third level to this method. Now, apart from earning 3% here and 2% here, SAIRUI is saying that now each of these team like this, Mr. A here After referring these people, they will also refer. Now you are building a team. So that is team A, Mr. A and his downline. Madam B and her downline becomes a team B, and then team C, team D, and then team E. What SAIRUI is saying is that apart from earning 3% at this level and 2% at this level, when this team begins to grow up, what they spend in the retail mall every month, if one group, the highest group or the highest purchase group, their purchase reaches $200,000, you are open to another level of earning. Now SAIRUI will begin to calculate the team volume, the whole volume of their retail purchase for all the teams, and then they will take out the largest and then the smallest, and then they will calculate the total of the rest of the teams and pay you 3%. So it means at this level of profit alone, you will be earning at 3 different levels. You will earn at first generation, second generation 2%, and apart from the 3% plus 2%, you will earn another 3% at the total team that is built. That is why it is wise and lucrative to build a team in SAIRUI, though it is not compulsory or mandatory. So that is the second way of earning money in SAIRUI Mall. Now, the third way of earning money in SAIRUI Mall, so this is what we just explained. This is just some figures, some calculations you can think of. You can earn 7,740 if your team A reaches 200,000, team B reaches 100,000, team C is 5,000. They spend this amount in the retail, and then team C 158,000. Now SAIRUI will take out the largest and then the smallest, and they will add the rest. Even if there are 20 teams, 100 teams, you will add the total and pay you 3% of that total. That is crazy, man. And that is good money you can make, and that is every month. That one is monthly. Every month it will be calculated and paid you. Now the third way to earn money is what we call direct sharing profit. Direct sharing profit, or that is what we call referral bonus. Anybody you refer, before the people do the purchasing, and you earn the 3% and the 2% and then the other 3%. Whatever VIP. Now take note, these previous ones, these earnings are coming from the purchases from the retail division. But here at the beginning, I showed you that you need to activate a VIP, which is equal to purchasing a store or a shop in the mall. Now those amounts people use to purchase, if you refer anybody and the person activates a VIP, you are entitled to 20% of the PV of that volume or that VIP. So these are the VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and then VIP 5. It continues, and these are the volumes that go with each of them. So if somebody registers and comes with VIP 1, then the person has a PV of $20, VIP 2 PV of $40, VIP 3 the amount is $100 and the PV is $80. VIP 4 the activation fee is $300. The PV that goes with that package is $240, and the VIP 5 the activation is $600 and the PV is $480. Now what SAIRUI is saying that anybody you refer, any package they come in with, you will earn 20% instantly. Once the person activates the VIP instantly, automatically your account will be credited with any of this amount. So if the person comes with VIP 3, you will receive $16 immediately. And then if the person comes with VIP 4, you will receive $48 immediately. If the person comes with VIP 5, you will receive $96 immediately. So that is another type of, or another way of earning money. That is the third way. It is called direct sharing profit, or what they call in other network marketing referral bonus. When you refer somebody, the bonus you receive. So that is the third way of earning.
your account. You can also learn how you can recharge your accounts using Bitcoins in SAIRUI Mall. So right away, let's go to the back office. We look at the several packages that can enroll in a business. We shall have VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, and VIP 5. I'll not talk about the products we get when you come on those packages, but I'll show you how you can join and get a product, and later on you start trading. Thank you very much for that. So let's look at how you can share, how you can become a member in SAIRUI Mall. Simply you buy a product. I said simply you buy a product. When you buy a product, it is going to bring you in business. So you come to commodity class, click on become VIP. When you click on become VIP, I'm sure by the time you come here, you already got a link from someone who invited you. So this is the step after you have registered and you're now activating your account. So you just come here and look at the packages. By buying a product, you are activating yourself, being a member in SAIRUI Mall. If you are here and you don't have any account in SAIRUI Mall, you are not a member in SAIRUI Mall. Even if you're giving it a service, even if you're working with it in offices, you are not in SAIRUI Mall. SAIRUI Mall is for those who are activated VIPs. We have a reason why, they have a reason to why they're calling them VIPs. So everyone is a VIP, and I appreciate you being a VIP here. So let's look at the product we have. You can start with VIP 1, $25, VIP 2, or you buy a quantum energy bot at $50, and then we shall also look at a VIP 3 account, a VIP 4 account. You can get VIP 3, you can get the energy glasses is here, and VIP 4 you can get a physiotherapy chip at $300, and VIP 5 you only pay $600 and you activate your shop. This is one of the highest, this is the highest package in SAIRUI Mall so far. However, we have incoming package at VIP 6 that is not yet listed. We are looking forward to having it and also make extra money using VIP 6 account. So therefore, now let's look at how you can recharge your account using Bitcoins. Please be very attentive. This is a process that you have to go through when you are recharging your account using BTC. So right away, I'll go back. I come to user. When I come to user, I'll go to financial department. I'll look for where I recharge my account. When I'll click on recharge, I'll show the company that there is some money coming in, and we wait to see if it is reflecting on our dashboard. So we see member area, collection. Let's go to financial department. You can see declaration statistics, exchange rate, SAIRUI points, currency recharge, interchange, recharge. You just come here directly under interchange and click on recharge. So we are going to click on recharge. We are going to recharge this account. Let me try to reduce on the magnification so that we'll be able to place orders for you as you're seeing how we can recharge this. So when you click on recharge, at the extreme end in the red corner you see here, upper corner, you are seeing a word recharge. Simply click on it. When you click on this word recharge, that is when you have already logged in your back office. You're already signed up. You are now going to recharge your account. Once you receive points in exchange or BTC of buying a product to activate you in a member, you'll be going through another process that is already uploaded on YouTube. You can find it out how you can register. So when you come here, we have what you want. We select my consumption points, my balance. It shows the balance you have. So company, my name of a company bank, I'll come here, I choose name of company bank, there are several banks. Those who are using MomoPay, it is the same procedure you use. So if you're using MomoPay, you're using banks, this is the same process you take. You first generate a transaction in your back office. Show the company that you are sending money to them. You initiate a transaction with them, as that simple. So you just click on BTC. In this case, for the purpose of this video, you're using BTC, not USDT, not any other currency, but specifically Bitcoins. So when you select BTC, the company account, BTC wallet is going to automatically be generated for you. So one thing you have to do to take note of is follow the guidelines, the steps I've given you, so that you don't mess this up. However, it is too easy to do. So in this case, I'm going to recharge with, I want 200 points. I specify the rate, the currency rate. If I select BTC, they will quote it for me in Bitcoins, how much I need to send to the company. So if I do that, it is generated automatically here. So they're asking me to put, excuse me, they're asking me to put the last 6 digits of your own wallet address or account number. If in this case, if you're using mobile money, you should put the last 6 digits of the account number of the mobile money number you're using to send money to the company. And the other thing, if you're using the bank, you should also do that. It helps the company to trace your transaction very fast and credit your account as soon as possible. So if you do that, we have to go to my blockchain. I already logged in my blockchain wallet here. I'll just come here and look for my wallet. I'll click on request. So when I click on request, my wallet has been generated. I'll just come here and copy it. After copying the wallet, I'll go back to the process of recharging. I paste the wallet here. If I paste the wallet here, I'll count 1 letter by 1 on the wallet. Those are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They said leave the first 6. I'll delete the rest. The last 6, I'll delete the rest of the letters of the wallet. So this is what they'll make the transaction be traced as soon as possible. So you identify what you want. I recommend you always purchase SAIRU points because you can easily convert them to consumption, but with consumption you cannot reverse. So you should always buy SAIRU. It doesn't take a lot of time to convert to consumption. So we select that, take screen capture of payment voucher. I'm not going to do that. It is not necessary. You can still carry on. I'll just directly click on recharge. When I click on recharge, are you sure you want to recharge? Yes, I want to recharge this account with 200 SAIRU points or $200. So it is generating my order for recharging. Therefore, John Crypto 13 Faris is generating a recharging amount of $200 in BTC, and then it is quoted for you how much you're supposed to send to the company. I'll come here where you see company bank account or amount, company bank account. I just copy the wallet. Make sure that you copy the wallet very well. Don't miss out any letter. Take note of the first like the first 5 and the last 5 letters so that you don't make any mistake in the wallet. So just simply copy it. When you copy it, you'll come back here to your Bitcoin account or your blockchain or wherever you keep your Bitcoins, and then you click on send. You see this account has some Bitcoins. It has $555. So we are going to send only $200 to SAIRU Mall e-commerce platform to recharge that account. So right now I'm going to paste the wallet, our SAIRU Mall wallet. It is already pasted. You have to cross check and see. Let me look at the first letters if they're still intact. Everything is very okay. Sorry, my voice is not doing well. Shall be closing this soon. So when you look at this, I'm putting the money in dollars so that they generate for me the amount in BTC. Or you can go copy it from the other side. Doesn't differ much. You already saw that in the back office here. They showed that I'm sending 0.02. This is the same thing I'm doing here. I've entered $200 and generated 0.02 with some few cents in it. Therefore, the transaction is going to go on. I'm not going to make. I'm going to give a description. Don't crypto if you want. If you don't want, you don't leave it. It is very okay still. There is no anything wrong with that. So I'm going to send. I'm sending $200. They're charging me $2.9 for the transaction, meaning the total charge is going to be $202.9. That is simple. That is the charge you have to incur on your end. So I'll simply click on send bitcoins to that wallet. So you can see your transaction now is pending. The money has been deducted from my wallet. So what we're going to do next is you all have service centers coordinating you. That is the most important thing. I'm going to log in in my Bitcoin wallet using my phone right now. I copy the link to the transaction. But before I do that, let me teach you, because people have a lot of issues copying the Bitcoin, what we call the transaction link or the hash to the transaction. Let me show you how you can copy it if you're using a laptop or a mobile phone where you can find it. It is the same process you can take to see this. So you see this transaction here. This is the transaction you have made to company wallet. So you can see this is all SAIRUI money coming in. We have money coming in here, coming in here. It is also SAIRUI money. So you can see I'm going to click on this transaction. When I click on this, when you click on this transaction, you saw where I clicked. Let me take you back. You saw this icon here. This icon here. Let me try to magnify a little bit. Okay, after sending your bitcoins to the company, what happens next? You come here, you look for the transaction. I've magnified too much. Let me try to reduce. The computer is not responding so fast like I want it. So after sending the you saw the transaction, you come click it in your transaction, click on it. It is going to give you an option of checking out on your link, the link of the transaction. So I'll just click on this for status. When I click on that, you see the link generated already above here in the new browser is the link the company wants. Just copy it. When I copy this, I'll simply even send it in my email to myself. I copy it, I send it to the financial department, send it to the service center, financial department, to make your transaction faster if you want to credit your account right away. But if you don't send there, still it will be credited on your account, but it will take a little bit of some time to have it there. So let me try in this. I'm using a method of sending. I'm finding means of sending the link I've copied to the company. My WhatsApp is not logged in here. So let me just create an email and I send it to myself on my phone. And then I copy it, I text it to financial department, and I wait for a few minutes to see how they are crediting my account. And then after that, we shall see if you have questions and answers, and call it a night. So you can copy the link either on your phone. You can also try your best to see how you copy it. My computer network is not so good. let me try to do this from my phone because I have already the link there. Let me do this from my phone because I have the link. I'm logging in my blockchain wallet. As you're seeing, I'm logging in right now. We are going to look at so finally the wallet has loaded for us. So I'm going to look for the transaction ID. I copy it, I send it to the financial department. If you don't have numbers to the financial department, you should always contact your leaders. They have every number. So I'm going to be able to do that. I'll come to my activities. When I come to activities, for those who are having a mobile app, you should go to your activities. I click, you see the transaction. This is the last transaction I did. I click on it. When I click on the last transaction, down here there is a word verify on blockchain. If I click on this word verify on blockchain like this, I'll see this is the transaction, the hash ID. I'm going to just copy it. I'll just, even if you click in the browser and copy the link in the browser, simple. You go back, you go to your WhatsApp, as simple as that. You have all the numbers for the departments we'll have in the company. So I'll just come here. I look for financial department. I paste my link. So after pasting my link, she's going to read it. If you can still take a screenshot if you can, and then send it with a screenshot if need be. I just attach a screenshot on it and I send it as well. So if I do that, it's sent. Now I'm going to call. I'm already calling. I'm calling the financial department. I need the money paid, credited right away. So she declines the call. She's attending to me right now. And we shall check on the account. She's verifying the transaction. As soon as possible, it is going to be credited. That's simple. So, thank you very much for that. For those who are just joining us, we're seeing how you can recharge, how you can get started in SAIRUI Mall. If you have your Bitcoins out there, you don't need to worry. You can get started from wherever you are. This is one of the perfect ways of joining the business without wasting a lot of time. So we shall currently check on and see later on. We shall keep on refreshing on our account and see if the money is credited. And then we carry on with a question and answer session. Tomorrow, we shall be seeing another thing. I told you we don't see products every now and then. It will be boring. SAIRUI Mall is not boring. We have a lot of concept we can talk about. We have a lot of things we can share. So don't worry about that. Charging. My points have been already credited. Let me show you that and we close this. We shall meet again tomorrow same time. Allow me not to... my parents have been credited. I was refreshing on my phone, but I saw the $200 that I recharged credited already. So thank you very much, the financial department. Let me give them a thumbs up to show them.
Hello dear leaders, and welcome to this new video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new account. In other words, how to create an account of a referrer. So the first thing you need to check upon when creating an account is, first of all, which VIP do you want to create? Is it VIP 2, 3, or 4, or 5? Then the next thing you must check upon is the number of points. Do you have enough consumption points to create the account? Recall in a previous video I explained that to activate the VIP account, it is done with consumption points. So first of all, let us check on something. Go to become VIP. Okay, as you can see here, these are the different prices for the activation of the VIP. Prices are ranging from $50 for the VIP 2, to $600 for the VIP 5. So that's the first thing you need to check upon. Do I have enough consumption points corresponding to the amount of dollars of the VIP account I want to create? Okay, so let's say I want to create a VIP 2 account, $50. It implies that I must first of all be sure to have at least 50 consumption points here. So let me convert, first of all, 50 SAIRUI points to consumption points. As you saw in the previous video, to do that I come here, interchange, in the financial section, click on convert. I get back here, SAIRUI points to consumption points exactly. I input the quantity, 50, and the payment password. Very good. Okay, this window is just telling me that it's irrevocable. Once I click on OK, no way back. Okay, successful operation. Good. Now you can see I have 50 consumption points, so I can successfully continue with the creation of my new VIP account. The next thing I do, still on this left menu, I go to the Member Center category, and on the Member Center category, I go to Network Diagram. Basically, the network diagram is just a graphical view of all my downlines. Once I'm here, I come to the area where I see an orange color with register. Just for a quick recall, where you see blue means the space, the position is already taken, and where you see orange, it means the position is free. So once I've spotted the free position on which I want to place my new account, I simply click on it. Once I click on it, I have this form that will appear. This form telling me, asking for some basic information on the account I'm about to create. So here I put the username of the account. Service center, I put my service center. The type of account, the level of VIP. Recall we talked about VIP 2, so that's what I choose. The country, of course, Cameroon actually, so put Cameroon. Detailed address, here you put your address, street number or the like, but just for the purpose of this video, I will just get along it very quickly. Notice that all this information can be later changed in your personal dashboard. So just for the video, I'm just going to write anything quickly. Sorry. The essence of the video is to show you how you can create a new referral. The rest is not very important for now. Okay, accept the terms and services, and you click on register. Login was successful. Okay, coming back to my personal dashboard, you notice the 50 consumption points that were previously here have gone away. So effectively what has been done is that the 50 consumption points for the VIP2 account I was about to create were directly transferred into the account of my new referral. So once I log in into the account of my new referral, I'll be able to activate my VIP and do the trading eventually. So before I do that, recall that to do trading on the SAIRUI platform, you need equally consumption points. Oh no, excuse me, you need SAIRUI points to do the trading. And once again, the trading, the amount of points you need for the trading depends on the account, on the type of account. This, for example, is a VIP3 new retail, $100, which means that the wholesale price for the VIP3 will be $40 times 2, so $180. So to trade in VIP2, I need in VIP3, sorry, I need $180. To trade in VIP2, like the account I'm just creating, like the account I've just created, you'll need exactly 50 for the new retail, $50 for the new retail, and $40, so $20 times 2 for the wholesale area, which gives us a total of $90, which implies that for the account, for the VIP2 account I'm just from creating, it should have equally 90 SAIRUI points to be able to perform the trading. So I'll go back to the transfer interchange zone in the financial menu. No, excuse me, I go to the member transfer in the financial area, click on transfer, and what I'll do here basically is to transfer 90 of my SAIRUI points to the new VIP2 account I'm just from creating, so that I'll be able to do the trading. Here I put the receiver username. Here I put the type of points I want to transfer. In our case, SAIRUI points. The quantity, 90. The payment password, the new. And we are good. Successful transfer. So now I'm going to log out and log in into the new account, into the new VIP2 account I've just created. Okay. Good. As you can see, effectively 90 SAIRUI points have been transferred and 50 consumption points. So all I have to do now is to get back here to the commodity class, click on become VIP, choose my corresponding VIP, which is this VIP2. But before we do that, let me show you something quickly. Let me open this in a new tab. Yeah, as you can see in my personal dashboard, the state is unactivated, which means that I am registered, but I have not yet activated my VIP pack. So I cannot yet benefit from all the wonderful bonuses SAIRUI offers. So let me get back, become VIP. VIP2. Okay, here I choose the description for the product. Number 1, click on purchase. Now, as it's the first time I'm doing a purchase with this account, I will have to create an address. Because you can't do any purchase on an e-commerce website without defining the shipping address. So I click on add an address, receiving address. Once again, for video issues, I'll just try and put anything here. Let me put my personal number here. Okay. Edit. Oh, okay. Just something quick for video purposes. Once I've created my address, you note that you can create a maximum of 4 addresses that will line up here. So once you have created an address, you choose the address for the purchase you're actually doing by clicking on the envelope. See, upon clicking on it, the borders become red. Then you place the order, submit successfully. Cool. So this is like resume of the order. You can either cancel or pay. Let me pay. To pay, I just have to put my payment password. What's going on? Yeah, it generally takes some time here. Okay, successful payment. So, getting back to the personal dashboard, our status is now activated VIP. So actually, we are registered as a very important partner in the SAIRUI platform, and hence we can start benefiting from all the wonderful advantages this revolutionary platform offers. So I can now do my trade, as you saw in the previous video, I can do my trade. I first of all go into the new retail category, buying one product at the retail price, which will give me a wholesale quota of 2, telling me I can buy 2 products at the price of wholesale in the wholesale area. Then I will leave those products in consignment for 10 days. The SAIRUI platform will sell them and share the profit with me. In fact, I'm getting the biggest part of the profit. So thanks for watching the video. That's all for today.